अशें म्हाका दिसता. दिस शूड रिजॉल्व द इश्यू.
माननीय सदस्य विजय सरदेसाय.
मंत्र्यान जे रिप्लाय दिला ते रिप्लायान तांणी एक दाखयला की दे आर डिपेंडिंग अपॉन वन सर्क्युलराची डेट दिल्यात 2024. स्पीकर सर, बेंगलोर, हैदराबाद, दिल्ली, चेन्नई हांगा एक सिंगल विंडो GIS बेस्ड रोड कटिंग परमिशन सिस्टम म्हळ्यार कितें? उदक, सिवरेज, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, गॅस, टेलिकॉम. गॅस आज म्हजे मतदारसंघात रोड कटिंग करता अडानी. गॅस घालपाक अडानी म्हणल्यार तुमकां भंय दिसतलो पयलोच. हे जे कमिटीन तुवें नांव घेतलां तातूंत टेलिकॉम ना आनी गॅस ना. तांणी म्हणल्यार चीफ इंजिनियर रोड्स, चीफ इंजिनियर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, चीफ इंजिनियर कितें तें, पूण अडानी ना, टेलिकॉम ना, गॅस ना. हे आज मेन म्हजे मतदारसंघात विच इज 100% इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अंडरग्राउंड, 100% सिवरेज, complete roads are being cut by Adani. No problem. We also need piped gas. Second, the Honorable Minister has made a reference की केन्ना केन्ना आमदार मागतात रस्ते काप म्हणून. ताणीच ताजे पयलीं म्हणलां की गरज पडटा आनी मागचें पडटा. आमी लेट इज नॉट गो इन टू तू मेळमेळ. पूण एक हांव सांगूंक सोदता तें अशें, गोंय आज एक सर्क्युलराचेर डिपेंडंट आहा. सर्क्युलराचेर हें उत्तर सांगता. विदाउट स्टॅट्युटरी बॅकिंग, विदाउट अ कॉमन युटिलिटी मॅप, विदाउट फायनान्शियल डेटरन्स, विदाउट युटिलिटी कॉरिडोर्स, मागीर हो रस्तो पडतो कित्याक खणचे ना, कित्याक पब्लीक मनी वेस्ट जावचो ना आनी कित्याक नागरिकांक त्रास जायत रावचो ना, हें उत्तर आमकां मेळना. म्हणून हांव मागतां एक स्पेसिफीक क्वेश्चन, वॉट इज द टायमलायन by which you will go for a single window road cutting permission system, a GIS based utility mapping and one road one dig policy, mandatory utility corridors. आता utility corridor तुका जर पळोवंक जाय जाल्यार रवींद्र भवन टू आल्लेम हांव मंत्री आसतना हांवें म्हज्या मतदारसंघात केल्लो आहा, which is a utility corridor existing 1.8 kilometers length stretch of road केल्लो आहा. Speaker sir, so the point is, was a specific question, what is the timeline for these reforms? Or are you going to depend on the circular only, where you don't have statutory backing and you don't have financial deterrence? ना जाल्यार आनी तुवें टेलिकॉम आनी गॅसाक भितर घेवंक ना तुज्या कमिटीन.
Speaker sir, I have replied in brief. हांवें सांगलां सगळे युटिलिटीच्यो ज्यो डिपार्टमेंट, फॉर एक्झाम्पल अडानी doesn't fall into that category.
Yeah.
Original contractor is GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited. We will even ask Gas Authority of India Limited, they have a project engineer here who will attend. आम्ही कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांक ह्या मिटिंगेक ही कमिटी केल्या तुमी जर कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्स वी विल नॉट कॉल, वी विल नॉट कॉल BSNL contractor, we will call the main person, project engineer of the BSNL. So he should be rest assured that this will take care of whoever are digging for laying gas.
पयली लिस्टान ते नांव घेवंक
ना आम्ही हांचे घेवं ना, सेंट्रल एजन्सीचे आम्ही घेवं ना, because we said all utility agencies. So they, while issuing an order, the principal chief engineer will seek all the names, details who are involved in this. Now आता BharatNet is likely to come to Goa. So it's a central government project.
टेलिकॉम.
So like this there are many things who are coming. प्रत्येक जण येतो तो रस्तो
एक कितें आहा बेसिक तूं एक आतां कमिटी करूंक सोदता. एक्झिस्टिंग सिस्टम्स जंय आहा, जंय हांवें स्पेसिफीक सांगलां बेंगलोर, हैदराबाद, दिल्ली, चेन्नई हांगा कितें आहा GIS बेस्ड रोड कटिंग परमिशन. म्हळ्यार तातूंत मनशाचें इंटरफियरन्स आनी कमिटी मेळपाची गरज ना. तें तूं मॅपार पळयता ऑन द कंप्युटर आनी यू गिव द परमिशन. कित्या खातीर GIS मॅपिंग केल्लें आहा तें करचेंच पडटलें गोंयांत. स्पिकर सर, ना जाल्यार इंदोरचे भशेन जातलें, सिवरेज आनी उदक मिक्स जातलें एक दीस, आनी सिवरेज म्हणून उदक म्हणून सिवरेज पितले आमी आनी लोक मरतले. हे जावंक शकता. हे जावचें न्ही म्हणून हांवें GIS बेस्ड मॅपिंग मागता. तें तुमी करपाक तयारी आसा आनी आसा जाल्यार केन्ना मेरेन जातली हो म्हजो प्रश्न. मागीर कोणीचें जालां हें.
GIS is already in place. In the next 3 months, we will roll out PWD as the single nodal agency.
स्पीकर सर, जे बाब मंत्री उलयता हांवें मुगे बटन मारला पयला रॉंग वयर मुगे ना तुगे स्क्रिनीचेर येना तो. स्पीकर सर, आज जे बाब विजय बाबान सांगला आणि जे मंत्रीन आन्सर दिला, बेसिकली there is no joint planning. You agree? There is no common utility map. There is no scheduling across departments. There is no authority to stop this overlapping works. And every department is digging. सगळ्या मंत्री आमदारांक त्रास जाता, लोकांक मेन म्हणटे लोकांक त्रास जाता. And आज because there is only a circular, there are no guidelines. I would, when the Prime Minister is talking about digital India, and today everything seems to be moving on this digital mode, artificial intelligence needs to be used. Anik, my supplementary pointed is whether you intend to mandate a digital technology driven project, and in that you need to track for all these governments, whether electricity, PWD, sewage, gas, all the bodies, all the agencies. Anik, a suggestion is if you could create a single, you said that PWD will be the nodal agency, but a single integrated public dashboard. That public dashboard where every project must disclose the project title and scope, start date, completion date, percentage of their physical and financial progress, and delays, what is the reason for it? Aj Makadista and also the executing agency and the name of the contractor. There is no coordination, and if you get the nodal agency, please ask them that they get into this digital mode so that this public dashboard is available. Aaj ki zyada, by the time you in your reply, you have given that 5-6 agencies are made party to that decision. But by the time those letters go from one place to another place, it takes a lot of time. So I think you need to use this digital artificial intelligence so that this creates जे पण loophole आहे हे बंद जावपाक जाय. This is a suggestion. कित्याक आज जेन्ना सगळ्याक अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग करपाक जाय, power minister has given it across all the constituencies. But finally reinstatement was not part of your contract. So PWD after doing it takes a lot of time. So you also get an alert what is priority. Where digging is happening, that should be taken on priority. And that, Makadista, tu amka answer dijen ki you will come with this integrated system.
माननीय सदस्य प्रश्न विचारा.
Prashna thought, will you come with this nodal agency? He has said in 1 month.
I have said first that GIS is in place. In the next 3 months, we will roll out PWD as a single nodal agency. तो suggest करता पळय ते dashboard आणि all the works to be monitored. म्हणजे जे काम खंय दिलां आतां ताजे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी कसलें काम दिलें ताचो कामाचो अमाउंट कितलो, डेट ऑफ कमेन्समेंट, डेट ऑफ कंप्लीशन, what is the progress of the work. So तो suggest करता. We will try to examine that ताजे request.
No, that will make things easier for you.
I said we'll examine.
You get everything there. एकूच speaker sir, अनेक मान्य मंत्री जेन्ना digging of road जाता, अनेक थोडे जाग्यार defect liability period पडा, still goes within 3 years. Now आज पटवी सांगला की नवी सुरवात करपाक जाय. नवी सुरवात जेन्ना तूं कोता, कित्याक तुवें जायत इंटरेस्ट केला दिल्लीच्यान, you went, you trying to bring in a lot of funds for the state of Goa. But हे जेन्ना आमी कोता, currently the roads that are digging चालू आसा, that need